I am so impressed with this Pyracantha that we have here. It is loaded with flowers. All the little bugs on it, they love it. It's just gorgeous. So this is a Pyracantha tree, or firethorn is another name. It's planted in a beautiful Japanese pot. There's been some carving done on the trunk. It does have some wire on it. Looks like Eric's still styling it, so there is wire on the branches. But look at the back. Let me go back here. Just so many flowers. Pyracantha is somewhat cold hardy. It's not a tropical tree, so here in Florida we do keep it outside. We don't have to protect it. And it can take some cold up north, but I believe that you guys do need to do some winter protection on it. And in the spring, like now, it does get these beautiful white flowers. And then later in the year, I think in the winter, it will get covered with red berries. And I was smelling it earlier. It does have a fragrance, kind of a sweet, I'm smelling it now, honey fragrance. So it has a nice little fragrance. So just a cool tree. And I'm just so amazed at all the flowers on it. It's just beautiful. So I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am.